Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a question that has the potential to change the way you approach conferencing in your medium-sized meeting rooms. What if you could create an immersive experience that engages remote participants, enhances collaboration, and streamlines your workflow without the need for expensive and bulky equipment? Imagine walking into a meeting room and effortlessly launching a presentation, video conferencing with colleagues across the globe, and collaborating on a project with stakeholders using nothing but a wireless clicker. It may sound like science fiction, but thanks to the Barco ClickShare CX-30 wireless conferencing system, this is now a reality. But before we dive into the exciting features and capabilities of this innovative product, let's first understand the specific frustrations and gaps in the market that it addresses. The truth is, many of us have been stuck with outdated and clunky conferencing solutions that make even the simplest interactions seem like a chore. Wireless connectivity has been spotty at best, with dropped calls, lagging video, and endless password reentries the norm. Furthermore, the lack of interactivity and real-time collaboration tools has hindered productivity and engagement, resulting in disengaged participants, reduced creativity, and subpar decision-making. Moreover, the burden of BYOD policies has led to compatibility issues, security concerns, and increased IT costs. The ClickShare CX-30 is here to change all that. Let's take a look at the unboxing experience and get a feel for what makes this system stand out. As you carefully unwrap the package, you're greeted by a sleek and sturdy design that exudes premium quality. The system itself is housed in a compact, yet robust enclosure that screams professional grade. The intuitive interface, comprised of a touch-sensitive display and a wireless clicker, invites you to explore and interact with its features. When you press the clicker for the first time, you're immediately struck by the fluidity and responsiveness of the system. The intuitive gestures and on-screen cues guide you effortlessly through the setup process, and you're up and running in no time. This takes me to the next point, which is the deep dive into the features that make the ClickShare CX-30 a game changer for medium-sized meeting rooms. Firstly, let's talk about the full interactivity aspect of this system. With a simple click, you can seamlessly launch a presentation, annotate on a shared whiteboard, and even control external devices. This is a major game changer for remote participants, as they can now engage and interact in real time, fostering a sense of inclusion and participation that was previously impossible. Secondly, the system's BYOD support is truly noteworthy. With the ability to connect any Android or iOS device, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones, you can say goodbye to compatibility issues and security concerns. This means that all your participants can connect securely and easily, without needing to worry about software updates or compatibility issues. Thirdly, the CX-30's moderation features are a breath of fresh air in the conferencing world. With the ability to control and manage participant permissions, you can create a structured and productive meeting environment, while also ensuring that all stakeholders have a voice and can contribute to the discussion. Fourthly, let's talk about the speed and reliability of the system. With fast and seamless connectivity, you can enjoy crystal clear video, zero lag, and near-instant response times. This means that participants can interact and engage without any issues, reducing frustration and increasing productivity. Fifthly, the ClickShare CX-30 security features are top-notch, with end-to-end encryption, secure authentication, and robust password management. You can rest assured that your sensitive data and communications are safeguarded, reducing the risk of cyber breaches and unauthorized access. Lastly, the system's ease of use and intuitive interface are major selling points. With a simple clicker and touch-sensitive display, you can easily navigate the system, adjust settings, and troubleshoot issues. This means that even the most non-tech savvy users can confidently operate the system, reducing IT costs and minimizing downtime. But let's get to a real-world scenario where the real magic happens. Recently, I had the chance to use the ClickShare CX-30 in a remote collaboration setting, where a team of stakeholders from various locations needed to discuss a project and brainstorm ideas. The experience was truly seamless. With a simple click, I launched the presentation, shared the whiteboard, and began annotating and explaining key concepts to my colleagues. What struck me was how easily and fluidly we could interact, despite the physical distance between us. The video quality was crystal clear, and the system's speed and reliability made it feel like we were all in the same room. Performance-wise, the system delivered exactly what I expected: zero lag, near-instant response times, and robust connectivity. I was even impressed by the battery life, which clocked in at a remarkable 7 hours of continuous usage. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the system. On the plus side, the ClickShare CX-30 delivers unparalleled interactivity, security, and reliability, making it an absolute must-have for medium-sized meeting rooms. Its ease of use and intuitive interface have also reduced IT costs and minimized downtime. On the downside, I would say that the system's slightly steeper learning curve for the advanced features might require some minor adjustments on the part of the IT department or the IT support team for users. Another point worth mentioning is that the system's robust pricing might be a barrier to entry for small businesses or startups. However, considering the return on investment and the sheer productivity gains offered by the ClickShare CX-30, I firmly believe that this is an investment worth making. But how does the ClickShare CX-30 stack up against its competitors? In a crowded market filled with numerous conferencing solutions, the CX-30 stands out for its unparalleled interactivity, BYOD support, and moderate features. In comparison to systems from other reputable vendors, the CX-30 delivers unparalleled speed and reliability, with fast and seamless connectivity ensuring zero lag and near-instant response times. In terms of pricing, the system falls into the premium category, but its robust features and return on investment more than justify the cost. In conclusion, I strongly recommend the Barco ClickShare CX-30 to anyone in charge of a medium-sized meeting room or responsible for facilitating remote collaboration. With its unparalleled interactivity, BYOD support, and secure features, the CX-30 delivers exactly what you need to bring productivity and inclusivity to your meetings. Invest in the Barco ClickShare CX-30 today, and I guarantee you'll never go back to outdated conferencing solutions again.